Hello, I'm Ian. As you know, my shed, you're welcome. Last video, couldn't resist that, Jason, sorry. Last video, got the log splitter. I also got given a box of scrap plugs. You follow along, you know I do scrapping as well as other things. Each one worth 10p, scrapped. I'm trying to work on the premise, having a small shop, that something comes in, something's got to go out. Some scrap comes in, got to work on it. Now, this box, and it's a big box, stripped, yielded a little sack. The brass. Easily 5 kilos, 6 kilos, £2.50 a kilo, 4 250s is tenner, 15 quid, 15 quid. An evening's entertainment with something to keep you going. Showed me a tiny little problem though. Let's see if I can bring you down here a bit. I'm going to get rid of that box first. I wish it was as quick as that. Always tidying up. Put it down a bit. I'm doing a little bit more work on my electromagnetic thingies. And up a bit more. But I can't zoom in. I've got a piece of, anyway, I use a grinder and then I finish with it. Let's say for example I've just then I put it down. Now it see, it does that sort of thing. Which ain't, well, it ain't that good, is it? It's not that safe either. My friends, YouTube friends at the moment, they've all been into making a torch holder. Hang on. A torch holder. A big torch holder. Magnetic even. I've been having a think. Now, I've been told I've got a big one. Not the first time I've been told I've got a big one, but I've been told I've got a big one. I don't use that much. I ain't that much of a welder. These are my babies. These is what I use all the time. So kind of had a thought, why don't I make a magnetic angle grinder holder instead of just hanging it on a piece of steel, which I keep catching my elbow on, or sticking it on my desk and it keeps whizzing off. So that's the plan. As always, show you down here. I got a bit of, I've been making another plague, trying to give somebody the plague, but nobody seems to want it. But I thought about using a bit of angle iron. I went and got my scrap tub. So we're going to tip that out. Knock all my beer over at the same time. And I better mop that beer up, haven't I? What a waste. That's how you make a lad from Lanky cry. Spill his beer. Oh well. It'll make this makes the place smell like a brewery. We'll put that in here. Put it somewhere over there. I'm going to have a look through that lot, and I have another sack of scrap bits. So I'm going to take that one out. Straight away, nice piece of tube, and a lovely fit. Bit bigger piece of tube, not like that. Spring even. I'm going to go through that lot. I'm going to have a little think, get the creative juices going, and I'm going to come up with a combined torch and angle grinder holder with a magnetic base. We're back. We've had it right through. We've got the brain cells going a little. Got the magnet. I think that's strong enough. Got some bits. Decided to go for a piece of box section for my torch holder. Decided I don't want to be trying to stick it into a little hole. We're better off sticking it in a big hole. Easier to find when you're in a rush. So big hole it is. Oh, somehow that's going on there to a nice degree. From the how I needed a light in my life video, some of you might recall that piece of steel. I salvaged it. So my idea is that's going to go on there. That's going to go on there at an angle like that. So that's going on there at an angle. I'll need a buttress at the back, so I'll get a bit of angle iron. I've got some offcuts of steel, which if I can position this right, I think if I put that like that, that'll give me a nice angle like that. I've got a triangle. Shut up. So maybe like that, and trunicate it. I've also got another piece of steel that's come from something somewhere. I think I can tack that on there. So I'm going to have a little fiddle about, seeing if these work. I've also got that. It's the ring off a large gas bottle. My thought is if I cut it in half, that will sit in there. I would develop this a little bit further, bring you back in after. I've had a little think. Now in this instance it's going to be function over form. So that's what I've come up with. Magnet little gusset at the back. That's it, the angle grinder will sit. I will cut that recess out to match that grinder disc. That's what I normally have, just a piece of steel where it fits on it. But come on, everybody else is making something, I'm going to make something. And talking about making things, whilst I was rooting about in my tub, I come across a little piston. Okay, piston broke, we all know that joke, but look at it. Look at it. That's a robot, innit? That's a robot. That's a giveaway. Make a robot. So, on our Thursday night, which you can catch us on the Robert Nurden live show, 8 PM UK time. I think there's five of us. There's me, Robert Nurden, Jason Andrews, Baggett Corner, and Guido Wandelt. And we have a little bit of a giveaway. Each of us has put something we've made into a box. So there's 15 prizes. And if you're there and you're in, you say you want it, and you get drawn out, whatever wonderful thing that we've designed and made is yours, no matter in the world where you be. I'm cracking on with that. Oh well, that about calls this a day on this build. So there it is. Ain't pretty, it's functional. I no longer have to use this what I believe is a cattle gate catch. Somebody told me that on YouTube, but it works. So now I can stick that in there, and my angle grinder, instead of being in the bin, I can stick on there. Voila! Now, I know Guido needed some nice torch holders, and Jason Andrews, he did a very nice boxer torch holder, and Backyard Welder, he did a very nice Coleman welder. Well, I just need function over form. You can't tell here, but my breath is freezing. I'm trying to warm the place up. I've got got a candle going, but it ain't raising the temperature that much. That's it for me. Saturday night. It's still snowing. I'm going to go in now, but rooting in my little tub, I found some round bar. You know I'm going to have a go to making a third hand, don't you? See you in the next one.